Good afternoon, good morning, everyone. Esteemed guests, Somnath sir, Darshan, friends from the CISA team, and many others who have joined us for this auspicious occasion today. Just wanted to share a small anecdote of myself growing up in my teens, and came across many books related to space, and everything said NASA doing this, NASA doing that. So immediately I got inspired by that, and I wanted to be either an astronaut or an astronomer or an astrophysicist, something I had to be. And when I shared this with my parents, they said, why NASA? Why don't you aim to join ISRO? And that was the first time I came to know the great developments that India, as a developing country at that point of time, had already achieved in the field of space research. And it was very, very inspiring for a young girl student trying to reach the levels of, to be able to, aspire to be at a level where you can join an esteemed organization like ISRO. And that's how the journey started for me, where of course the jostling happens, where you need to be an engineer first and then go into astrophysics. You need to balance out the career goals, etc. And the way they turn out, I did land up into the administrative service, and the journey still continues, where my inclination towards information technology keeps driving me or keeps attracting me to posts which are technology driven. And that has been my good fortune, that I have been able to be in touch with such great minds who are building nation, who are in the public sector and private sector, being able to contribute to the country's prowess in IT, in emerging technologies, space research, as well as information security as we stand here today. My first interaction with Darshan was a couple of months back, when CISA shot up to glory, I would say, by having a patent which was so important in terms of cybersecurity, especially in the background of the DPDP Act, where having the core identity parameters on your databases will become critical, and how you handle it in terms of ensuring personal security and data privacy. And that's when I reached out to him, and within 24 hours, their team was in our office, and we were talking about how UIDAI would be, a potential client in the future, and many other such organizations in the government and of course the private sector, how it will become very crucial for us to handle personal data, and how organizations like CISA will help us in doing so. Talking about India's leadership in IT and IT services and IT products, it's a story that everybody knows. But taking cue from what Darshan said, that we are at a point of inflection where, given our presence in the world in terms of the world's back office to the world's R&D hub, we are in a position where, and also our country's growing importance as a developing country, as a developed country, we are becoming very vulnerable to attacks. The fact is that our country's reputation, as it rises as a growing nation, as an important country financially, technologically, our value as a target improves and keeps becoming more and more vulnerable. At this juncture, if we do not, as a government and as a society, invest in cybersecurity, having R&D in place, R&D institutions in place, ensuring that training is there, ensuring educational institutes right from the beginning are concentrating in this field, and ensuring that as people skill and reskill, cybersecurity becomes second nature to us, we will fall behind heavily from the leadership position that we are already in. And I would like to congratulate Darshan and the entire CISA team over here today to making that possible. Already you have taken a lot of steps to mark a feather in the cap of the country in terms of ensuring that we have the right team in place, the right products that are being rolled out, and ensuring that organizations like this, like the Cyber Nalanda that is being built, will set as a trailblazer for a lot of other institutions to follow Q in the government and outside the government. It's very critical, not just for CISA, but also a critical step in nation building, I would say. And I'm looking forward to the organization doing even better, getting more accolades for yourself as well as the country. Talking about Somnath sir, it's just an immense honor and pleasure to be sitting on the same dais as with him. They have set the standards for the country in terms of other organizations to follow Q as to what can happen. And I would again request sir that I would personally request him to come over to UIDI one of these days and inspire our entire technology team there as well. Congratulations to the entire team here. Congratulations, Darshan. Over to you. Thank you.